Hello everyone. I just noticed some strange behavior reported by Argo in our southern oceans. Come on, let's investigate. In this tutorial, we are going to explore the platform page I alluded to in my previous video. Each float collects profiles, and we are going to view multiple profile data grouped by the float, also known as platform. Selecting any profile opens a pop-up. The Position History button shows you where each profile is located. You can now see where this float has been. These dots are in gray, in order to distinguish between the other profiles. If you have a platform number in mind, you can type it in this text box. If a match is found, then the profiles are marked by orange dots. What do we have here? Has this float gone to visit the South Pole? Have we discovered an error? Let's investigate. Clicking on any of these profiles and following the to platform page link will bring us to the platform page. The platform page now has a color chart. For both charts, the y-axis is pressure, the x-axis is time, the color on top is temperature, and on bottom, salinity. If you want to view a single profile, click on a data point. Another page opens up for its corresponding profile. Do you see how there are sub-zero temperatures on the surface? The gap we saw on the map is most likely due to the float drifting under ice. The floats detect ice if the temperature gets too low. When this happens, the float will plummet back down to its parking depth so that they avoid bumping into ice, potentially damaging the float. The data is stored until the float can surface, but its position is unknown. Argovis fills these positions with -89 latitude and 0 longitude, hence the jump. The page has a scrollable table that shows the profile's metadata. You can download this table in either of these three formats by clicking any of these buttons. You can also download this data just how we did for the profiles in the last tutorial. This link takes us to another page with charts like those seen by the profile page. Each profile gets its own color. That's all there is to report today. In our next video, we will view profile data by selecting date ranges, pressure ranges, and by drawing shapes on a map. This is my favorite part. Stay tuned.